Audio is very important whether you are a filmmaker, a musician, or either music lover and moviegoer. Audio can bring you to another world by just listening to ambient sound of the environment. Relate to the words of the music you're listening to while playing your favorite jam. And I am all of them. Music is something that gets me in the mood. Watching movies or television shows inspires me to be better in my craft as a visual storyteller. A movie or TV show is not as effective if the audio you're listening to is not pleasant as the quality of the video. That's why it is really important to choose a good listening device in order to enjoy the experience of the music you're listening to and the excitement of watching your favorite TV shows. So let me introduce you to Peats Air 3. It is an awesome and versatile piece of audio device with very cool features to complement your listening experience. Quick disclaimer, Peats sent me this unit through Mr. Don Sangalang. A big thanks to you, bro. But they didn't pay me to film this review, so I will be honest and straightforward with this product. So let's get into it. So let's have a look what's inside the box. User manual, USB Type-C charging cable, charging case, and the audio device unit inside. That's what you get inside the box of this unit. Now let's talk about the build quality and form factor of Peats Air 3. Peats Air 3 is made of plastic material. It is very lightweight. It has a very compact design which really fits to your pocket and you can grab it wholly in the palm of your hand. Just to compare it, this is the Peats Air 3 and this is the Apple Airpods. As you can see, Peats Air is a bit smaller than the Apple Airpods, and compared to its weight, Peats Air 3 is lighter than the Apple Airpods. So what are the features of Peats Air 3? Peats Air 3 has a Bluetooth 5.2 with aptX adaptive codec. It has 5 hours of battery life in continuous usage. The charging case can charge earpieces fully 2 times. This also supports a gaming mode. Actually, I'm not a gamer, so I don't know how this one works. I didn't try it actually while playing games. They said when you activate the gaming mode, it reduces the latency of the sounds that it can receive. I only tested it while listening to music, watching a movie, and while running, while listening outdoors. And to pair it is very easy. Just open the charging case, press the small circle button, wait until the light turns white. Then go to your mobile device or whatever device that supports Bluetooth, and then select the Peats Air 3. As simple as that. So how does it work? Double tap the left or right earpiece to play music. Tap the right earphone to increase the volume. Tap the left earphone to decrease the volume. Hold the right earphone to skip to the next song. And hold the left earpiece to return to the previous song. Triple tap right earpiece to activate the voice assistant. And then triple tap the left earpiece to activate or deactivate the low latency gaming mode. So that's it. The control system of this earphone is very easy. Once you remove either one of the earpieces from your ear, the music will suddenly pause and will resume playing once you put back the earpod. And now let's test the audio of the microphone of Peats Air 3. So what you're hearing right now is the audio of Rode Video Micro. Rode Video Micro, sound check, 1, 2, 3, sound check, 1, 2, 3. And right now, you are hearing the sound from Peats Air 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. And that's pretty it. So that's the audio quality that you will get from the microphone of Peats Air 3. I believe it's decent enough where you are making a call, or you are in the Google Meets, or you are in Zoom call or teleconference. So let me know in the comment section what kind of quality of the sound that you are hearing from the Peats Air 3. And how about the sound quality of this earphone? The sound quality is, it's okay, it's fine, it's decent, it has a decent sound. So actually it turns a little bit in the bass part. If you're going to compare it with the Apple Airpods or the wired earphones of Apple, in my opinion, it's somehow like muffled. It's not as crispy as the sound produces by the wired earphone of Apple. For me, the sound quality of Apple earphones is some kind of standard when I am listening to music or while I am editing. As of now, I am using this Marshall Major 3, which also supports Bluetooth connectivity, and also it supports a wire capability once you insert the 3.5mm jack. And what more can I say? I think this is the best and more cheaper alternative to Apple Airpods. This is really expensive piece of tech. As of now, the price of this here in UAE is around 180 to 190 dirhams. It's around 2,500 pesos in the Philippines, or around more or less $50 US. But with its performance when it comes to sound, build quality, and the price itself, I might say that this is the best alternative for me. And my final thoughts. The experience with Peats Air 3 is really awesome for me. Actually, I find myself using this device than the Apple Airpod because it's perfect time for me because the other earpiece of my AirPods is not working anymore. Or a great alternative to this headset. It's really bulky, it's really big with its lightweight feature, and it really fits perfectly in my ear. And also it's stylish. It's not even coming out in my head. Even if I listen to the rock music like this, as you can see, I get a little bit dizzy on that one. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative for Apple Airpods, this is the way to go. The Peats Air 3. For more information, kindly visit Peats' official Facebook page and website. I will put the links in the description box below. It is also available on Amazon or other online stores. And there you have it, guys, and see you in the next month. Peace.